Paper puppets are fast and easy to make. The plastic book cover rolls, which are used for covering books, normally come with a rod inside. This can be used for the base of the puppet. The list of materials to make this puppet are a plastic rod, glue, Fevicol, scissors, ruler, A4 size papers colored or white, 2 to 3, a pencil, marker pens or sketch pens, cello tape and a paper tape, some decorative material and wool. Begin your puppet by making the head. We first take a white paper, A4 size, and we measure out 9 centimeters on it. Now cut out the paper, 9 centimeters. Next, you take your rod and keeping the rod in the middle of the paper, slowly turn the paper around the rod like a cone. Now this area we are going to glue. Now slide the rod inside the hole of the head which you have made in such a way that you leave half the size of the head. Next, you tape the neck or fix the head, I would say, with a transparent cello tape. Let's take a colored paper now for the body. Use the whole paper in such a way that we have some space to hold the rod. Okay, now we are going to turn the paper like a cone first. Once you're happy with the size, fix in a pencil inside so that a little bit of a hole is made on the top. Slide the rod in so it moves comfortably and smoothly. Tighten the paper over there and again glue that end. Now slide it on the rod again so that the head and the body fixes. Now let's fix this with a paper tape. Okay, this is done now, the head and the body. The next, we are going to just glue the open ends. Cut out the head in a nice U shape if you desire to make hair with wool, or you could just leave it and chop out the hair like you saw in my earlier puppet. Okay, for making the hair, take a piece of wool and roll it like this on the table. Once you are happy with the thickness, just cut it off. Cut an extra string. Place your wool on the string and tie a knot. Now for my puppet, I need short hair. I don't need too long hair. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to chop out the extra ends. Like this. And I'm going to fix it in this way. Use your glue. And fix your wool. You could use any other material. You could use paper, you could use felt. Now you can take a marker or a black sketch pen and draw out the features. Now I'm going to just shape the bottom so that it looks nice and neat. Okay, now I take a piece of colored paper just to decorate and design the dress. I'm going to just use it as a neck, a collar. Next, I just take some decorative material and start decorating my puppet. You can use your own creativity and make whatever you wish. Now we take another white paper to make the hands of the puppet. You can take the rest of the paper which was left and draw out around 9 centimeters again and cut it out. Okay, this paper is enough to make 2 hands. Just fold it into 2. Cut it out into two pieces now and roll each of the paper like a cone, like you did earlier. Close the ends. Try to make a neat and a tight cone. I have 2 cones with me now, and I'm going to stick the cone in this way. Yeah. Okay, this would take a little time, so be patient. You can even design the sleeves by attaching any decorative material or drawing on it. As you can see, my puppet is now ready. One is with wool hair, one is with paper hair. Go ahead, make them and have fun in your class. Thank you.